So very good evening, students. Good evening, sir. So we are going to gather here to discuss a very interesting case study with the perspective of design thinking. So to apply design thinking, we need to be in the shoes of others. Like here, we need to have an empathy on different people who are involving in the Python language development. Like one side is developers' perspective, other side is industry people, how they are using this language. In other side, like how research people they are benefiting this particular language, Python, since it is a high level language, it is being used by many people in and around the world, from students to developers. So I want to know the perspective of different people. I assume that you four students who are standing in front of, sitting in front of me, I assume yourself as a industry person, developer, user, and student, another one is a scientist or researchers. So Python is a very productive language, I should say that, because it is used in technology, science, in different verticals of industries, especially the robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So here, I want to know the developer's perspective first.
Hello everyone, this is Raghunath. I'm here to tell about the developer perspective of Python in technologies. The Python is the most popular language among worldwide in languages of computers, in which we are using the Python language for developing app applications. And Python is known for its simplicity and code readability. Python is a high-level programming language which make their codes more easier compared to other programming language. It was reduced to more coding as compared to many other programming language, which makes these Python programming easy for both beginners and professionals. Many companies like Microsoft, Google, Instagram, Facebook are using the Python programming language for its application development because one of the most important application of Python is that it was easy readability and high productivity. Because of this, the Python was used in worldwide applications.
Good, Raghunath, as from the developer's perspective, he has given a strong points like it is almost like having an empathization on the developer side. So they want to build a very powerful applications. They know the strength of the programming language Python. So they expect that it can do many more magics in future applications and industries. Now the perspective from industry person, how it is going to be. I want to witness that perspective.
This is the next one. Python has many real world
Start. She will say.
This is the next one. Python has many real world in Python technology used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analysis software. It is also Python used in mobile application. Mobile application more than flexible and powerful.
Good, Trishma. You try to bring many applications, how the industries are benefiting. As you said, it is used in chatbots, gaming the industries, and many more applications like where the Python is highly recommended, as we mentioned, artificial intelligence and machine learning. These are on the application side where the Python can be highly involved. But it is already started. We are in the era of developing many applications with the support of Python language and Python libraries. At this time, I want to get the perspective of a user who is a learner or a beginner. How they are showing interest to learn Python. What are the advantages they find it and features they find it in learning?
Hello, this is Rajesh. I have talked about the learner perspective. Python has many advantages, like its simple syntax to learn easily and quickly understand the program. It helps to learn quickly the beginners. And also the Python has many built libraries such as to test the programmers coding there. And also the Python in operating system like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. These right features to use Python in students, programmers, and the team.
Good, Rajesh. That's fundamentally right. The great feature of Python is low code and no code. That's no doubt. Also, it is system independent. Can work on any operating system and can be used in any networks also. And Python it is supporting many sensors and many IoT devices also. We can handle the machines also through the Python coding. So also with the Python support, we can have a data analytics also using the tools like as you mentioned, Tableau or Power BI or Python or whatever the libraries. We can get the additional support of libraries to learn Python and much more better. And also as you mentioned, it is a very easiest language, which is a very structured language and which has easy syntax to follow and easy adaptive language. And now at this time, okay, we are currently able to understand how developers are benefiting, how industries are benefiting, and how the learners are having the interest to learn. But what is the future here? Okay, future, how the people are going to improvise this programming platform, or the language will be get extended to the next level. How it is going to be view the future? I want some scientist perspective or a research person perspective at this time.
Hello everyone, I'm Pradeep. I'm here to speak about future scope of the Python. Future scope of the Python is very high because technology growing rapidly. Python programming mainly used in AI, the artificial intelligence field and the automation field and the robotics field. So our future is only based on automation and robotics, AI, these three. So Python program is very useful to us because how to handle this, robotics machines and automation field, how to programming to easy and understand to make robotics. So Python programming is very powerful and very useful to us. So we learn Python.
Yes, very good, Pradeep. You are giving a very great expectations. Yes, everyone have the same. In future, we want to see many robotic experiments with the support of Python language. Also, we want to see many automations, especially the generative AI. We are switching to the agentic AI in future. So in the agentic AI, the applications are going very fast and very rapidly. Not only the development, the execution also. So I think the Python will have a strong play, major role in the future applications and future achievements of industries. So thank you very much, you guys. You have given a wonderful insight and perspectives about the Python language. And through this group discussion, we were able to know the strength of Python and how Python is highly recommended to learn in future. Also, how the industries and research are expecting very much hope in Python libraries and Python development in the machine learning and artificial intelligence. Thank you very much. We meet in another discussions. Thank you.
Thank you.